Let's start with per day $100 strategy. Don't skip the video, watch it till the end. We have 4 steps to follow ahead. Write it on your notebook or notepad. Step 1. Finding a hot product with higher potential audience. Follow the steps which I'm showing you here. Tap on the health and fitness category because it has the highest value of hot potential audience. Now, look for the product whose gravity is ranging between 200 to 250. As these products still has the potential to increase the sales chart. Though there are lots of products to select, still I'll choose the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. Now check their affiliate page. And 2. Check the instruction for the sales of the product.
If I saw another day, only to scream into the night. Nothing ever tries to change, even if I want to realize. 'Cause I've been sitting here, same old ways, taking off without the same mistake.
Here's the Facebook ad resources given us to perform legal product ads on Facebook. Here's the CPA of the product is given. Now check the main product page, where the customers will visit. The main page is good, because it has a good product review video and 2 along with the normal reviews of the product, which will enhance the possibility for the sale of the product. Now click on the promote button to generate your product affiliate hop link.
I don't know how to be the current that pushed against the tide. Maybe once, maybe twice.
After creating the hop link, copy it and move to the next step.
How to leave the side.
Step 2. Creating a short link of the hop link. Now, follow up all the steps, which I'm showing you here. Search for Bitly on Google.
'Cause I've been sitting here, same old ways, taking off without the same mistake. Can I leave it all behind? Follow all the leading signs.
Now paste the hop link of the product here, and shorten it with this tool. Copy the shortened link and let's move ahead to the 3rd strategy.
Step 3. Finding a relevant video and creating a snip link. For this we have to search for weight loss fast diet plan on the search bar. Find the best quality video relevant for your product.
If I changed everything, the way I walk, the way I breathe, will my fate shift
Copy the URL of the video, then move to the Sniply website.
But here I am, same old thing. Sinking deep, no ecstasy.
On this website, create your Sniply by pasting the YouTube video link here. Click here to create the snip. Here, paste the shortened link of the bit.ly.
Screaming to the night. Nothing ever tries to change.
Write an attractive and valuable title for the snip.
'Cause I've been sitting here, same old ways. Taking off without the same mistake.
You can copy-paste from the email swipes, or you can use your own title too.
Simple for you.
Now after all this, click on the Finish CTA icon. Copy-paste the snip link, and come with me in the last step, which is related to find the potential audience for your product.
Step 4. Finding the higher potential audience.
Pushed against the tide.
Go on twitter.com because it has the highest number of potential active audience. Search for quick weight loss in the search bar. Here, you will see different people demanding for the weight loss programs or diet plans. Now, reply several of them. Write a good heading along with mentioning a link. With this method you can make sales, but not at very high level. But for beginners, who wants to start for free, you can use this method and can generate some sales.
Even if I want to realign. 'Cause I've been sitting here, same old ways. Taking off without the same mistake.